Hello, today is September 15th, 2019. Go over our calls, looked for a drop on Friday, which we got, and said Thursday's high could have been it for the rally leg. We have a new target of 30.1144, but if we drop early, calls canceled before the open. Had personal business all weekend, haven't done any new analysis. Last call said that we had the possible end of the rally leg. I'm going to stick with that. Monday's pattern has the early low. If you gap up first, that's not precluded. If you don't drop with a large drop early, it tends to be a rally day, but if you do drop early, it tends to lead to lower prices. And if we do gap down smartly, which futures are indicating will happen, the MEJT higher targets off the table. Personal business all weekend, haven't done any new analysis. My last call said the high of the rally leg was in. Not having done any new analysis, I'm just going to stick with that for now. That's today's call.